Hey, history buffs. Today I'm diving into the captivating history of the Al-Aqsa Mosque, an architectural gem and spiritual powerhouse. Nestled in the heart of Jerusalem, this mosque isn't just a place of worship, it's a symbol of enduring faith and resilience. Now let's rewind the clock to the early 7th century. The Al-Aqsa Mosque was constructed in 705 CE by the Umayyad Caliph Abd al-Malik and later expanded by his son Al-Walid. But it's more than just a building, it's a beacon of Islamic heritage. The name Al-Aqsa means the farthest, referencing its status as the farthest sanctuary in Islam during the Prophet Muhammad's time. So why is it so important? Firstly, it's the third holiest site in Islam after Mecca and Medina. Muslims believe that the Prophet Muhammad was transported here during the miraculous night journey, or Isra and Miraj, before ascending to heaven. This event ties Al-Aqsa directly to Islamic theology and law, but hold on, it's not just vital for Muslims. Al-Aqsa is part of the larger Haram al-Sharif, or Temple Mount, a site sacred to Jews and Christians alike. It's a living testament to the city's multi-layered history and spiritual significance. Fast forward to today, and the Al-Aqsa Mosque remains a focal point of religious devotion and geopolitical tension. It's a place where history isn't just remembered, it's lived every day. So next time you think of Jerusalem, remember Al-Aqsa Mosque, a symbol of faith, history and unity. Until next time, stay curious.